What's up, people? I'm back again, and today my Gotway Monster is going to get a little bit of protection by way of a Bodyguard by Roll.nz. Kevin and Chrissy, I appreciate you guys. They worked with me back and forth. They did a little customization for me, and we're going to throw it on and check it out and see how it looks. Stay with me. Let's go. First, let's take a look at the case itself, the Bodyguard itself, that is. I started opening it and I was like, no, I want to save it for you guys. So I didn't, all I did was open the box and I said, nah, and I closed it back. So here we go. Whoa, whoa, okay. All right. So here, oh, I like it. Because of the colors I chose, the black and the lime green. I mean, you can see the edge of the shirt there. And you guys know a lot of time I'll have my lime green and black on. He sent me valve covers that are lime green to match. I like that. Whoever's touch that was, I really like it. Kevin, Chrissy, I don't know who came up with that, but I like it. And then there's some swatches of the fabric. The green and the black, yeah, and that nice thick neoprene. The Roll.nz right here. Oh, this I will talk about later, the red thread. We'll talk about that in a minute. This is it. Can I get a drum roll, please? Oh, look at that green and black. Feel like a kid on Christmas right about now. Ooh. Oh, guys. Yes. Yes. So I went with the all black body design. And then I got the lime green stitch across, or stretch across the top. But look at the custom artwork. I don't know how good that shows up on camera now, but ThaBlackCobra, YouTube.com. Look at that. And on either side, you got the head of the Cobra. And on either side, they flipped the stitching. Oh, guys. This, oh my, talk about tough. This feels like super tough. I know, who was it? I think it was you, Stride. You did the test. He took a piece of brick and he rubbed this across a piece of brick to see how sturdy it was. You don't really, if you don't have one of these yet, you truly don't realize how thick they are. It really does feel like a wetsuit. If you've gone diving before, this truly does feel like a solid wetsuit. So it's got the holes in the back for the tail lights on this particular monster, and I have the V3 100-volt monster, but mine's is the first version that only had one headlight. Now I'm not sure. I believe they said they made this that it could stretch around both if you had both, but this is definitely designed for my one. So I'm not sure if you did it just for mine because I told you I had one, or if this is the one you said that fits both. However, I'm happy with the way this looks. I can't wait to get it on my wheel. Let's go, y'all. Let's get this on. Now, my instinct is to stand it up and pull from the top. But according to the website, the way that they want you to fit it is to fit it laying down, going from one side, pulling it up and over to the other side. So I'm gonna give that a shot. See if I can get this right. In case you haven't seen one, there are pockets made inside, 2 on each side, for the front side and the back, I mean the front and the rear. And those pockets are made to fit right underneath the hard shell. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, huh? Woo! The Black Cobra, baby. All right, so, ooh, a little warm down here, especially when I'm lifting this nice heavy wheel. So I'm gonna pull and tug back here, make sure the lights are where they need to be, make sure the headlight is exposed like it needs to be, make sure these sit right across the top, and you can see that green strip right across the top. Power her on. Let's give her a test. Why not? Okay. Oh yeah. Now we gotta move this just a little. As you can see, the lights line up in the back. You can see how it lines up in the front. Get that nice light coming through. Oh yeah. So I really like this. As you can see, I love the customization. I love how they made this specifically for me. And yes, anybody can get the customization option. They have it on their website. So if you want to put your logo here or here, and I think they can put it wherever you want, pretty much. You can talk to them. Talk to Kevin and Chrissy at Roll.nz. Again, I appreciate you guys. I thank you for what you did here. I like this a lot. I'm gonna throw some footage of me riding in here. And some background footage. Here's a little footage of them making this product. So again, Roll.nz. If you want one, go ahead and go to their website. I think I'm gonna try. I like working with these guys. I'm hoping that this is something that I can get for every wheel, and if you want to protect yours, it's something that you probably want to get for every one of your wheels. So until next time, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for coming by. Come back again. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when I make new ones. And please come see me again. I also wanted to go over the red stitching. She sent me red thread because we were trying to decide whether to go with red eyes on the Cobra, which is another option she said she could have done. And so she just included the thread so I could have it done or do it myself, possibly. We shall see if I'm able to do that. I don't know if I'm that talented, but we'll give it a shot. If I do get that up, I'll post that up and let you guys see it. But if not, the level of detail, as you can see in some of the background footage here, they put a lot of work. This is handcrafted. This is not just some factory, you know, pushing these out. This is handcrafted, and I can tell you after watching the background video of her them putting it together, I'm really impressed with how it feels and the detail in it. I really am. And I know I'm late to the game. Many of you already have one of these, and if you do, you know what I'm talking about. But this is the first time I've seen one on a monster, and it's definitely the first one I've had, so maybe that's why I'm so impressed. But I am blown away by Roll.nz. I thank you guys again, and I definitely look forward to doing more business with these guys. I'll put a link in the description down below. At this point, it's just a regular link, but I mean, it's not hard to find them. Roll.nz, hit enter, and you're there. Very simple to find, very, very good to work with. What I loved about working with these guys is their level of excitement about this project was as high as my level of excitement about this project. So us together back and forth, we really had a good time putting this together. So the experience alone was enough to make me want to go back and work with Kevin and Chrissy. So again, if I haven't said it enough in the video already, thank you guys. And to everybody watching, get yourself a Bodyguard. I might be doing a giveaway soon of one of these. That's how in love with these I am. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep you posted. Until next time, guys, enjoy all your gadgets and gear. Be safe. Please wear your safety gear. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.